Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're an e-reader fan, you'll want to stick around for this. Back in September, Amazon announced its brand new lineup of Kindle Scribe e-readers, and the wait is finally over for two of them. The new Kindle Scribe Colorsoft and the Kindle Scribe with front light are officially available, and I've just gotten my hands on them. I'm going to be putting them through their paces over the next few days, so make sure you're subscribed for the full review. Now, let's talk about what's new and whether they're worth the upgrade. First off, these new scribes aren't cheap. The monochrome Kindle Scribe with front light starts at $500 for 32 gigabytes of storage. If you want that beautiful new color screen, the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft will set you back $630, which also bumps the storage up to 64 gigabytes, interestingly. That price puts it in direct competition with the remarkable Paper Pro, the entry-level Scribe. Without a front light is still listed as coming soon for $430. But we won't see that until early 2026. So, what do you get for that extra cash? Amazon has packed in some pretty significant upgrades. The screen is now a larger 11 inches, up from 10.2 inches on the previous model. The amazing part is that they fit this bigger screen into a similar-sized body by shrinking the bezels. The whole device is also slimmer and lighter, now measuring just 5.4 millimeters thick and weighing 100 grams. Under the hood, a new custom MediaTek processor promises a 40% performance boost, which should make everything feel much snappier. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that none of these new scribes are waterproof like the Kindle Paperwhite, one of the biggest. Questions on everyone's mind, especially with the color model, is the screen quality. You might remember when Amazon launched its first color e-reader, the smaller Kindle Colorsoft, some users reported a faint yellow tinge on the display, especially with the front light on. Amazon addressed the issue, but it was a concern, so the very first thing I did after unboxing the new Kindle Scribe Colorsoft was check for that same problem. I'm happy to report that I didn't see any yellowing at all. I cranked the front light all the way up and set the color to vivid, and the screen looked clean and uniform. It seems Amazon's new display design, which includes a mini-LED lighting system, has completely solved that problem. Amazon has really focused on the writing experience with these upgrades. They've re-engineered the display to reduce the gap between the screen and the pen tip, so it feels much more like you're writing directly on paper. They also added a new texture-molded glass that gives the pen a better sense of friction as it glides across the screen. These small details are what can make or break a digital note-taking device, and it seems Amazon has paid close attention here. Combined with the snappier processor and more memory, the overall experience feels incredibly refined. So, the big question is, should you buy one? The price is definitely a major factor to consider, but with a larger, higher quality screen, a slimmer and lighter design, and a much improved writing experience, the new Kindle Scribes are making a very strong case for themselves. The Colorsoft model, in particular, looks stunning, and the fact that the previous display issues seem to be gone is a huge relief. I'm really excited to dive deeper into these devices, test out the note-taking features, and see how they hold up in day-to-day use. My initial impressions are very positive. They feel premium, responsive, and the displays are just beautiful. That's my first look at the new Amazon Kindle Scribe Colorsoft and Kindle Scribe with front light. I'll have my full, in-depth review for you in the coming days, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. What are your first thoughts on these new e-readers? Is the price justified? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.